Hello everybody, I'm Carl Rides and welcome to this unboxing video of the Amazon Echo Spot. The Echo Spot is an Amazon Alexa device with a screen. It has all the same audio features and skills as the Echo, Echo Dot and Echo Plus, reading you the news, turning on your lights and playing music. In addition to these, you can also view video content from a smart camera, view song lyrics when listening to music, make video calls to friends and family, play video flash briefings, film trailers and more. Let's take a look what we get in the box. First we need to remove the sleeve and then we can open up the flap. Here we are greeted by the Echo Spot itself, a very nice device with ports on the back for audio output and power. We'll take off the protective plastic to reveal the screen and take a look inside the accessories box. Here we have the Ask Alexa booklet, which shows you a list of the types of things you can ask her. Next is the warranty information booklet and the Echo Spot setup guide. There's also an included power cable. I have plugged in an audio cable and the power cable and will wait for the device to boot up. There we have it. The Echo Spot is ready for my commands, including for my own Minecraft skill, Brewing Coach. Alexa, open Brewing Coach.
Welcome to Brewing Coach. You can ask a question like, how do I brew a potion of fire resistance? Or, you can say stop to exit.
How do I brew a potion of healing?
You can brew 3 potions of healing by first making an awkward potion in a brewing stand by putting in 3 water bottles and then adding nether wart. Next add a glistering melon. You can double the amount of hearts regenerated by adding glowstone dust.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!